Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to enable a dependent bot on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the three lines where you have of course the home, issues, pull requests, and in the top right corner on the other side, when you click on your profile, we have your set status, your profile, your repositories, etc, etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and enable dependent bot on GitHub. So enabling dependent on bot on GitHub is a straightforward process, and here are the steps. Navigate to your repository, so go to the main page of your repository on GitHub, then access settings. Under the repository name, click on settings tab, then Code Security and Analytics. In the sidebar, click on the Code Security and Analytics and enable the Dependabot. Under the Code Security and Analytics, you will see options to Dependabot alerts, Dependabot security updates, and Dependabot version updates. Click Enable for each of these options. Once enabled, it will start monitoring your dependents and alert you any vulnerabilities. It can also automatically create pull requests to update the dependents with known security issues. So guys, and that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.